You can start, madam.
It is always the result of faith and hard work. Good afternoon, all the colleagues, faculty members, and my dear students. So I'm Dr. Sridevi Suvarnakandi from BLD's Association Law College, Jamkhandi. BLD Association's Law College welcomes you all. So 5-year BA LLB course are integrated course. So let me tell you about what is BA LLB. LLB is an integrated law course which is suitable for students who become a lawyer, legal advisor, or want career in law and judiciary. BA LLB is a double degree course combines bachelor degree course that's together with a bachelor degree course in law. Secondly, the duration of the BA LLB course shall be 5 years, consisting of 12 semesters. Thirdly, each academic year shall be divided into 4 semesters. The papers and the syllabus shall be as given in the appendix to the edition. Here are some of the choices you can pursue after completing a 5-year integrated course of BA LLB. So, candidates can either choose to follow the path or pursue the higher education to expand their more opportunities. Since BA LLB is an integrated course, students do not have to worry about graduating from any bachelor's degree. This freedom of pursuing law for the students from all disciplines opens up a new avenues for aspirants like any other graduates law programs. Candidate will be able to pursue regular career opportunities in law firms, corporate firms, and even pursue the higher education. So here I am going to give some career opportunities after completing your BA LLB programs. Like a litigation lawyer, join in the corporate industries, judge or judiciary exams, legal advisor, company secretary, master of law, practice profession of law as an advocate, while opportunities emerging in BPO or LPO sector, arbitrator or mediator, qualified to appear for the competitive examinations like IAS as well as KS, and they can be appointed as a legal advisor to the banks, multinational companies, insurance companies, as well as factories. So what is the benefit after the completing the course? A student does not have to complete the graduate degree as they can pursue the course right after 12th. So this is an advantage for the students who have clear and defined career vision. While you study for one degree, you get 2 degrees in your. Also, the career options are much more for the students who are going to be pursued the integrated course as compared to the other students. And the students save a year by undertaking the integrated BA LLB course as a study option. As a result, the student can invest the time saved for pursuing some other degree. The number of law subjects that you study in 5-year course is more than a 3-year course. This means that you gain a better and thorough knowledge of the subject. As a student, you can focus more on extracurricular activities like moot courts, client counseling, and internship. I will explain that the famous lawyers of the independent contribution in India's freedom struggle, with the selfless guidance and the statesmanship of the legality and the Indian national movement, it's gained the participation as well as a reach it for beyond immediate political consequences. So here I can make out the few leading members: Dadabhai Nauroji, Madan Mohan Malviya, Motilal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, as well as the Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And India is a home to some of very influential and powerful lawyers who can hold the entire in a air with fabulous arguments. So like Ram Jethmalani, K.K. Venugopal, Gopal Subramaniam, P. Chidambaram, Harish Salve. And here some superwomen from the legal profession who made a remarkable name for themselves. So there has always been saying that behind a successful man there is a female. So like here are some superwomen from the legal profession who made a remarkable name for themselves. Like Vrinda Grover, Meenakshi Arora, Indira Jaisi, and Pinky Anand. So now I'm going to explain with what is the significance of the Jamkhandi, about Jamkhandi. Jamkhandi has been a historic place once Raja Patavardhan of Pune in a pre-independence period, who had a great foresight and love for education. He started an educational institution at higher secondary level in a joint building in the heart of the town. He extended his cooperation and support for spreading education till the last day of his regime. So about BLD Association Vijaypur, which was established in year 1910, the BLD Association is a premier charitable association that has actively promoted the cause of education in this part of the Karnataka. The association heading towards its centenary celebration, it caters to the educational needs of the students at any given point of the time, thus contributing not only the region but the country as well in providing an educated and ethical force of young citizens. So about BLD Association's Law College. BLD Association Law College, which was established in year 2003, which was inaugurated by Honorable Shri Shivraj Patil, former Judge Supreme Court of India. The Law College is recognized by the Bar Council of India. BLD's Law College currently offering two law courses. One that will be the integrated 5-year BA LLB course, and secondly, we are having 3-year LLB course. BLD Law College permanently affiliated to the Karnataka State Law University, Hubballi, having well-qualified, dedicated and experienced staff members. The medium of instruction is both the languages in Kannada as well as English. So in our college, it is a well-established library with nearly 8 to 10,000 books, periodicals and journals are available. The college offers well-equipped gymnasium center, swimming pool, as well as a like indoor stadium, volleyball court, and even we are having a NSS. So volunteers will be trained and examined to prove their discipline, dedication, and hard working and nature for others. And I'm showing you some slides which we are going to provide the facilities. This is a classroom, fitness and sports, multi-gym, indoor stadium, as well as a swimming pool. The institute takes pride in the quality of education. It imparts and has gained a reputation for producing thoroughbred professionals. Its excellent infrastructure is amplified by the faculty that is highly qualified, deeply committed to the student community. The experience and knowledge they share with the students, supplemented by seminars, workshops, and the court visit, as well as the guest lectures by the eminent personalities. The vision and mission of our college. Vision to empower our students with a modern education based on Indian culture and heritage to their potentialities into realities. And the mission of our college, it emphasizes the all-round development of its students. It aims at producing not only the good professionals, but also good and worthy citizens of a great country, aiding in its overall progress and developments. The fee structure of our college admission fee structure for the year 2021, that will be the 19,800. Achievements of the BLDS Law College. This is the only institution where 5-year BA LLB course is in the existence in the twin districts of Bagalkot as well as Vijaypur. Hence, from various places of Bagalkot and Vijaypur districts, the students have taken the admissions to the 5-year law course in this institution. Since its establishment, 12 batches have successfully completed their 5-year law course. 5 students of our college, so they have been recruited as a judicial officers, and one student, overall the 5 student has secured the rank, and one student has secured the second rank, and one more student has secured 10th as well as a 8th rank, that will be in the Kannada medium to the Karnataka State Law University. So now I am explaining that what is the importance of the legal profession. The legal profession is the profession of a great honor. It has been created not for the private gain but for public good. It is not a money making occupation, but it is a branch of the administration of justice. An advocate is an officer of the court and required to maintain towards the court a respectful attitude, bearing in mind that the dignity of the judicial office is the essential for the survival of the society. So with this, I'm going to conclude with a slogan, come to learn, go to serve. Thank you one and all, sir.